I'm not here to fix everything about the place, okay? It's not the perfect organisation, neither is OT, neither is any organisation in the world. It's not perfect, okay?
Hi.
Hi? Yes, I am.
Papa.
I'm entitled to.
No, it's fine. I just want to make sure that you understand. Okay, you just need to...
Papa, hang on a moment, please, sorry. Papa, can you put the footage on, please?
Yeah.
And start filming, please.
Here he is. You can just have that, buddy. If you just hold that, she's got plenty of space on it. Okay. Just don't put your hand in front.
So, can I just ask what the reason is for this? Why we're being told?
Don't have to tell you.
Okay, cool. Sweet ass. Okay, so basically we're here to have a joint visit in relation to an allegation that you might have slapped your son, okay, at the beach, okay. So today I'm here to question you about that. Ashley is here just to make sure that everything's all good with the family.
And Ashley's from where? Ouranga Tamariki.
Yeah. But
Okay.
I don't know what your police is, but what's the reason for reporting this? Because I don't think that...
I just want to keep myself, I just want my own document. I just want to document this because I don't feel comfortable.
That's right. So you're with OT, right? Are you a certified social worker? Are you involved in child protection? Right? What, at Pukekohe?
What's your name? Ashley.
My name's Steve Evans. I'm from Families for Justice. I am well known. Go and have a look. New Zealand police have looked me up 1,800 times since 2013.
Okay, cool. Let's get past this, okay?
Yeah.
We're here to do a job. Let's try and do the job as quickly as possible.
Yep.
So we can leave it, let you guys go on with your day, okay? So, I'm here to have a chat. I just need to, let's go and sit somewhere so we can have the chat.
We're happy to stand here.
Yeah.
Okay, it's fine by me. Cool. Can I take some details from you?
I just have to keep history. In the meantime, there's our process to fight the children, as I say. I just like to have a quick say hello to the children. Is it okay?
No,
Yeah.
not at the moment.
Why not?
There's no. Have you got a warrant?
Can protection at the moment. Let's just make this as easy as possible. She just wants to have a look, make sure the children are all good, okay? You can bring them out,
Yes.
okay?
Hang on a moment, sorry. I'll go
You don't have to, eh?
No, but in front of me. Can you go and get...
Cool, you make it for us
Come
now.
over here.
The more times we come back to this address, okay?
Yeah.
More times you come back to this address, we'll be here too.
Yeah, to cite the children.
We just want you to be lawful.
It's just that, yeah.
Why would I be anything but lawful? 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 Why would I be anything but lawful?
Well,
Because I've heard and I've seen live footages, a lot of...
you can be
nasty
exasperated as you like, mate, but we're just protecting the citizens.
It just basically comes down to trust. I have trust issues with the...
New Zealand police.
Yes,
So do
from
I.
what I've seen, what I've researched into, and I
And
just
Ouranga
want to...
Tamariki, well, you know, Gronye Moss just resigned today. That's got to tell you something.
Come over here, sweetheart. Over here.
He's
Okay, yes.
Just be nice and quiet, kids. Just stand here. To attention.
Yes.
So I'll explain it to you, bro. The reason we're here is to make sure you guys are all good. Okay, that's all we are. Okay, and you guys look pretty sweet. You guys having fun and all good, okay? That's just what our job is here to do today, okay? We're not here to take you guys away, take mum away, or anything like that. Okay, it's just that someone's made a report, okay? And so our
Who's the
job...
person who's made the report?
Yes,
We
that's
don't
who I would like
we
to
don't
know.
The reporters...
You do know?
No, we don't actually know.
Well,
So,
Ouranga Tamariki do know.
No, they don't know.
yeah, I know
It's
that, but
anonymous, okay?
that means that anybody could go around You could have made that statement if it's anonymous.
Yeah,
it doesn't
so-
make
yeah,
sense.
Yeah, I understand that.
So you're saying that I could
So
ring
there's no
into...
evidence at all. There's
Yeah,
just
I can ring
there's
into-
just an
It's an
allegation.
anonymous-
There's just hearsay.
That's why I'm here. I'm here to question you about the allegation that you made, okay? That's what I'm here for. I'm not here to drag anyone away because...
Or you do often support these people. Oranga and Tamariki.
Yeah, because we have evidence in relation to this. Okay?
No, you don't. Not in many cases.
Okay? In this case, there's been an allegation. Someone has provided the registration plate, okay? And they've given a name of being mentioned at the time, okay? So that's why we come here, okay? We need to follow it up. If we didn't follow it up, okay, it'd give, like yourselves, more reason to hate the police, okay? Okay?
Fair enough.
So,
Alright.
so if we didn't do our job about this,
They must at least
okay, that's fine. That's the reason why I'm here, because if we didn't do our job right now, people will hate us even more. Okay, and I can understand you guys have mistrust in the police, and that's fine. I'm not here to fix everything about the police, okay? It's not the perfect organisation, neither is OT, neither is any organisation in the world. It's not perfect, okay? Let's just try and get it solved.
That's why you need citizens like us to stand up for the victims. Right, you've seen the children. Anything more you want from the kids? Then they can go inside and play.
So you're the lawyer.
I'm a legal advocate, yes.
Okay. From where? I just
Families for
interested-
Justice.
Sorry?
Families for Justice.
Family for Justice.
Yeah.
And you're the legal advocate. And is it okay if I get your name, please?
Stephen Evans.
Stephen.
Grenier Moss knows me very well, although she's not going to anymore. She's just resigned.
Okay, so Stephen and surname?
Evans.
A
E-V-A-N-S.
E V.
A-N-S.
Okay.
So where are you from?
We are from Rangatamariki, Phuket side.
Are you registered?
I'm the I'm registered.
Yeah.
A provision registered, and I'm not quite sure for the filming, to be honest.
Well, it doesn't matter.
Are
We're
you gonna
lawful
upload
and we're
it
entitled to do
No,
it. So
no.
you're from...
It's just documenting. That's
Yeah.
all. I'm
And
not,
with the greatest respect, you're not a local New Zealander, and you don't seem to know the law because
I just need
we've dealt
to-
with Lucy Lou, and she's lawless.
Hey, we don't need to go into this business.
Yeah.
okay?
Well,
This
then
is
don't ask
boring.
those silly questions. We're entitled
No, no.
to video. You know who
we
you
don't
are.
need to get into some sort of racial sort of business here, okay, guys?
That's not racial. She was asking
Oh,
about video
no,
and filming.
you were starting to get to that point. I'm not here to go into race. I'm here to
Ask the
deal with
questions.
it, ask the questions.
We
okay?
asked, are the kids, you finished with the kids?
Yeah, and it's her prerogative.
What have you done? You happy? You wanted
Yeah.
to see them. That's what you asked for.
Okay.
Come on, kids. Off into the house. Now go and play.
Okay, what's your last name? Your date of birth, please.
pardon?
Your date of birth. Cool, and this is your permanent address?
Yes.
Your mobile number?
Pardon?
Your mobile number?
You'll already have that on. Yeah, you'll already have that on the National Intelligence Database.
Yeah, this is all just to confirm things. Things change, don't they?
She doesn't actually have to give you that information. But
She does.
no, not by law. She doesn't.
Yeah.
You're not driving a car.
Yeah, but I'm investigating a criminal offence here. Okay.
There is no offence. Yet.
Well, there's an allegation of criminal offence. so
That
therefore-
one is different.
No,
There's an
it's not.
allegation.
Doesn't matter. It's still a criminal offence, isn't it?
No, it's not. Criminal offence is when you're charged.
Okay, sweet.
Yeah.
Yeah, you know, you
read
can't
that.
mislead people.
Okay. So, as you're aware, someone's made an allegation, so I'm going to be questioning you in relation to that.
Yeah.
Because I'm going to question you in relation to an offence, okay, I'm going to provide you your rights. You are not under arrest at any time, okay? But because I am asking you questions about an alleged offence, okay, you need to know your rights.
Yes.
Okay, cool. So just... Cool. So
Now, let me just advise you. All right.
you're not a lawyer, so you can't
Under
advise
the
me.
Bill of Rights, right?
Yes.
You don't have to say anything,
Yes.
right? It's your New Zealand Bill of Rights. But I know you want to try and cooperate
Yes.
to some extent, but just give them that basic information, and that's all you have to say.
You're not actually a signed lawyer, so
I'm entitled to be here, man.
okay. So you have the right to remain silent. You do not have to make any statements. Anything you say will be recorded and may be given in evidence in court. You have the right to speak with a lawyer without delay and in private before deciding whether to answer any questions. Please have a list of lawyers who may speak to you for free. Do you understand what? So I'm just going to write some questions. It just takes me a little while to write. So. The first question. Tell me about the incident on the 3rd of January 2021 where you slapped your son on the face.
Oh, come, that's a leading question.
That's the allegation. I'm putting the allegation to her, aren't I?
Oh, no, you're not saying did you? You said you did.
That's an open question. Tell me about the incident on the 3rd of January 2021 where you slapped your son on the face. That's an open question.
I didn't slap my child on the face. I did not hit him at all.
So just one second, I've got to make sure I write this one. So I didn't slap my child on the face.
I did not hit him at all. I did, however.
Is it? Well, I did, however.
Tell him off. Under the section 59. Yes, under the section 59.
You're coaching her.
Is he not allowed to?
No.
Okay, but under the section 59 of the Crimes Act.
Yep. Is it?
Yep. Son, if you want to come here, you have to... Alright.
So what's your understanding of section 59 of the Crimes Act?
That I am... Well, I don't know if by heart, but I can bring it to you.
Oh no, just whatever you...
I don't know it off by heart.
Okay. I'll just bring it up so I can read it to you word for word, okay?
So... Make sure that it's not getting stuck into the cupboard. Yeah, but Izzy's got all the food out. Please, can you make sure that they're not getting stuck into the food?
Okay, so section 59 is parental control, okay? So every parent of a child and every person in the place of a parent of the child is justified in using force if the force used is reasonable in the circumstances and for the purposes of preventing or minimizing harm to children or another person, or preventing the child from engaging or continuing to engage in conduct that amounts to a criminal offence, or preventing the child from engaging or continuing to engage in offensive or disruptive behaviour.
My one will be the first one.
Okay, so I just finished this subsection one,
sorry.
okay? And that's all good. Performing the normal daily tasks that are incidental to good care and parenting. So you state that your incident is in relation to section 159(1)(a,
Yes.
preventing or minimising harm to a child or another person.
Yes.
So what happens that makes it relate to section 59(1)(a?
And his sister, well, the whole three of them were fighting.
Once again.
Okay, hang on a moment. Is this at Waitawa or Waiiti?
Waiiti.
Yeah.
All
So,
three of them
is this Waitawa or Waiiti?
Waiiti.
Waiiti? Bay.
So we obviously
Alright,
know
so-
who made the allegations.
Yeah.
Okay, honestly, it's anonymous to us, so we have no idea. You most likely will
Yeah.
know, but
Vindictive relatives.
yeah, and that's where I'm going to get going through. Okay.
So what happened was there was a bit of the children and their cousins were all down at the waters.
Once again, what happened was the children and the cousins.
Yes.
All at the water.
Yes, and there was a bit of yelling going on, and I saw that it started with. But then what got my attention?
Once again, because I could see that it started with. Can you
That
start? Cool. Yep. And
So that's what got my I looked. But what really got my attention was when he started shooting the water pistol at his cousin, and he kept going and he kept going, and she was screaming, and the whole beach could hear. And I was a bit,
She was a little girl.
yeah, she's a little girl. Oh, this
so
is what I'm
that's when
saying.
I saw shooting the water pistol.
Yeah. Don't do that, please.
That's
Hey, come on, boys.
cousin.
You guys go inside, please. It's distracting. Well, just stay down there, please.
Shooting the water pistol at the cousin and continue to do it, was it? What you
Yes,
said?
that's it. That's why she was screaming and so I yelled from the top because we were up at the grass area. I yelled from the top, "Stop it!" He looked at me and he continued doing it. So I yelled, "Oh, stop it!" He didn't. So I went down there and I pulled him out.
Stop it. He didn't?
No, he
He said
didn't.
you had to yell it again.
Yes. So I went down there.
You satisfied with that?
Again. Went out again. That's when I went down. And grabbed him.
And told him off. I told him off down there.
Told him off down there.
And he was, you know, as kids do, they, yeah, answer back. Yeah, I was answering back. So that's what I carried it on.
Okay.
So,
You satisfied with that?
That's okay.
Right. Any other questions?
And that was it.
Any other
Anything
questions?
else?
well, I just want to be clear.
Yeah.
that I think what it is that I carried it on, explaining why he's being told off, and I think that's why
The vindictive sisters.
Yeah, we were up at the truck, and I was telling him off, and they don't. I've got boundaries. They don't have boundaries.
Telling him what he did wrong.
Yeah.
You satisfied with all that? Any other questions? We'd like to get on with our day.
And so do I. So
Good.
yeah.
She hasn't been charged. We actually don't have to give this information, but we're trying to cooperate.
Yeah, and I'm trying to be nice and polite and get
That's
all the
right.
information.
So if you've
as well.
got any further questions,
Okay. So the allegation is that you went down to the water and you slapped him across the head and then
which
dragged
explained
him.
that.
I didn't slap my son. I even asked you.
If you got any further questions,
you guys,
we've given
they
you the
came
statement
over
on that part.
unexpectedly.
Yeah.
And when she mentioned that, I called straight away. I didn't look at him. I looked straight at them,
Yeah.
and I asked him the question.
Yeah.
You know what they had, the allegation. I said, "Did I smack you?" I wasn't looking at him, and right off the ball,
Yeah.
right off the bat, he was surprised.
Yeah.
And he said, "No, mummy,
Okay.
that's correct, eh?" Yeah.
All right. You got any further questions? Because we've got other things to do today.
I don't hit my children.
That's fine.
I don't hit my
So,
children.
have you got any further questions?
I'm very firm.
Yeah, that's fine.
No.
And
Have you?
family members-
got
I'm not
any-
talking to you.
I don't care.
Okay,
She doesn't have to talk to you anymore.
I'm telling Mum's
Right.
been quite open to me, and I need to go through
Right.
what you've answered and then
Right,
read
let's
through
go.
it and get you
We-
started.
thank you for your day.
Steve. I just want to be. I'm a very firm mother, and these people that I think have made, they don't agree with my parenting skills. They're very relaxed with their children, and that's another reason why I don't like taking my children around there, because they pick up bad habits, jumping on the furniture.
Yeah, that's okay. We're finished.
And this second,
No,
I
we're
didn't
finished.
hit
No,
my
we're
son.
finished. She doesn't have to.
No,
She's
because
cooperated
I could
already.
potentially, my family could potentially be ripped apart because of fake lies.
I'm not here to say that you're a bad mother. That
You have the power of the state behind you,
Okay.
and we are finished. All right?
I'm not here to do
Tobacco.
Okay, I'm not here to do that. What happens is when there's an allegation like this, you have to at least have to talk to you about it.
Yeah, we've
okay,
had
and
enough.
get your version.
We've given you all the answers, okay?
I don't want you to think that I'm here to destroy your lives. I'm not here to destroy.
That's what you people do.
Okay, I'm just here to make sure that when someone makes an allegation, okay, because there are people out there that make allegations that are true.
Well, make sure you go back and sue those people for making false allegations.
Yes, and that's another thing. Oh, so it is anonymous, because I wanted to know who
If you think you know
gave,
who it
because
is,
I would like to go to court for that, for defamation.
Because we don't know. So
yeah, we honestly
We do.
This has
It's the
caused a
sister-in-law.
lot of stress.
yeah,
What I can do is, that's literally why I'm like, my next questions are like, why would someone do it? Who would make this sort of allegation? And that's the question.
Yeah.
Because I'm not here to just get, oh yeah, that's what the thing is. I have to at least push through, okay?
He's misleading you down the rabbit hole. Okay? All right? You don't have to say anything under the law anymore.
Okay.
You're going to express your New Zealand Bill of Rights 1990 and you're going to say nothing. Thank you very much for your day, officer. Thank you very much for your day, Oranga Tamariki. We are over. Thank you.
Is there anything else?
Come on, kids.
I think it's better for police to finish this.
Okay,
Not
and
sure
so you
whether-
and I, do we have to talk about anything?
No.
to take back to my supervisor.
Off you
And then I
go.
will give it call.
Okay.
The screwdriver, not the knife. You see, and these children, they're very... The screwdriver, sweetheart.
I understand kids are kids, okay? I'm not, like, they're just one thing, okay?
No, but we've told you the law and we're not expressing any more information. Right? We're going to be
We're
silent.
gonna break
Thank
that
you very much.
snake if you're
Come
gonna
on, let's go. Let's go inside. Come on, kids. Lunchtime.
Would you want to sign this, sign off?
Go on. Close the door up, please. Don't forget to put your bike away. The bike, don't leave it in the driveway, please. The bike.
Pass on my regards to Lucy Lou, will you?
Lucy Lou, I heard that name. Isn't she an actress?
No, she's a shonky Chinese social worker. Children
Remember
and
I said, if you're
international
finished
drug
using your
operations
bike, you
like
put it
Operation
back, don't
Plandemic.
leave it in the driveway,
New
please.
Zealand police breach their statutory
Can you
obligations
not
of
do that,
welfare and
please?
safety of the children.
The
as
bike
first
needs to go
consideration
over
and
there.
paramount.
Don't leave. I've told you guys not to leave it in the driveway. Go on, son. Thank you.